Hello, let us see how to use the folder in your coins and arrange it in coin albums. How to set up your coin albums. Take a suitable coin folder, fold it once. We are using Pocket Coin Gallery folders. Use the coin in the center of the folder. Keep it tight, fold it, keep it tight, keep the coin in the center, keep it pressed, use a stapler. A long handle to the stapler will be good enough. I am using a kangaroo stapler. Staple 4 empty coins so that the coins will be folded tight. Once you finish it, you can see the other side. Some stapler folded. You can press it down using the stapling machine itself. A better way is to use a hammer to press those staplers. Now it is flat. Same procedure, keeping it in the center, folding the folder, keeping it in the center, keep tight, press it. Start from the bottom, sides, top, finish it. It's ready. One more example. See the tape coin. The coin in the center. Keep it tight. With your finger. Use the stapler 4 times. Now you are ready. Your coins are ready. You can folder it. Now let us try to use stickers. It's a used sticker. Maybe some Croatia or some coins there. See how stickers are used. Find the country and sticker for that. Remove it. Start from the beginning of the folder and keep it straight. Press it tightly. Now you are ready. Croatia coin. It's tagged now. Ready to go into the album. Any more countries available. Small ones are used. Germany then use that. The other side, common coins are used. Getting that Germany stickers. Keep it ready, keep it sideways. Remove the sticker. Start from the beginning of the folder. the bottom. Usually I use it in the bottom. You can keep it the top or sideways. Yeah, it is ready. Germany, West. Actually, it is West. Tag you have to change. Just for an example, I have used it. Tagged. All available tags are finished. Now let us see how we can keep it in album. I have tried with the album. It is already ready. 200 capacity coins album. All coins are ready. See how it is arranged. This is Albania. It's a different type of folder. That's actually 320 country folder used for this album. Let us go through this album page by page. So see, it is see how it is arranged country wise. Coins are tagged. This is SS folder. Let us make a video tour on this album. Just wait, I am keeping it ready. The focus is not getting into the focus. Let us try once more. Okay, now it is ready. See, can you see that these albums or coins are arranged? All 200 country coins are arranged in 10 pages. Each page contains 20 coins. All coins with the folder, tags, everything ready to exhibit to your friends, anybody. If you are interested by this, please contact us. The album is ready. See how beautiful it is. It is alphabetically arranged. All coins tagged. I made it last week. It will take 1 day to make an album. Yeah, it is finished. And that's all. Thank you for watching the video.